Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to break down for you how you can delete a channel in your Slack workspace without any advanced technical skills whatsoever and really quickly. So if you're curious to learn more, make sure to drop a like and now let us get started. Alright, so head over to Slack, log into your account and select the workspace you would like to customize and edit here in the top left corner. So let me go with that workspace here. And here to the left, guys, on that panel, you will see all the associated channels to your workspace. So I created that one here just for the sake of this tutorial for another tutorial video. So now I would like to get rid of it really quickly because it takes up space unnecessarily. So what you want to do, guys, is simply right click on the given channel. After that, select view channel details, and here inside your channel settings, select settings here at the top, and in the last tab choose delete this channel here at the bottom. Confirm your decision by selecting or ticking this box here. Yes, permanently delete the channel. Read through this disclaimer here, guys, because a channel deletion can't be undone. So once you have deleted your channel, it will be gone forever. So make sure you're 100% convinced to do this. And if that's the case, guys, simply confirm by clicking on delete channel here, and Slack will instantaneously delete the given channel from your workspace. And that's it, guys. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on our channel.